Good morning, everybody. Hope everybody's doing so great. Well, it is another video. I'm sipping my coffee. I don't know how to start a day without coffee. I have like at least 2 cups a day. I'm like one of those people that can have a lot of coffee and still sleep at night. Like caffeine actually doesn't affect me that much. Anyway, in today's vlog, I'm going to be talking about the lazy content strategy. That's something that I adopt. I'm going to show you how I use it. I'm going to explain it to you. And I'm going to enjoy my coffee while I'm doing it. I also got stuff to do today, so you can follow me. Got a meeting. Got some work to do. So let's get it started, yeah? In case you're wondering why it's so super wide, it's because I'm not using this today. Decided to use the 50 today, and it is so crisp and clean. This is the kit lens. So yeah, what would that even look like? Yep, that's not possible. But yeah, this is the kit lens, you know. Today I'm shooting with the 50. Super wide. cool. This other lens was not working, so back to it. Hey, God is good, man. I made it. That light is terrible. I made it. You know, parked right where the trees are. You can actually hear them if you. Yeah, they scratching the roof. But yeah, I made it. Let's go hit this meeting. With like 6 minutes to spare, let's run up in there. Nope, you're not crazy. Nope, I did not change my shirt. This is a whole other day. I promise you not. I was shooting. Last thing you saw me addressing the crowd at Student Share Network over at the University of Johannesburg Soweto campus. The multimedia director for that society. So go ahead. There's a link. Check them out. Follow them on our socials. So I thought to myself, why don't I wrap up this video a bit later? Also, as well as being really busy as of late. So, the lazy content strategy. So what are we talking about when we discuss the lazy content strategy? Well, basically it's creating a main piece of content. For example, a video, right? You create that video, upload it to YouTube, Vimeo, whatever you do, and then let's say it's about 30 minutes long. You take different segments of that content, right? You create a shorter video, or a 1 minute video for Instagram, where you pretty much just take an extract of what happened in that full 30-minute video and you upload that to Instagram. Say you had a key piece of advice, you upload that right on Instagram, 1 minute views. Same thing in Instagram stories. You create a 15-second video of that. You take a 15-second extract, you put that right into your Instagram stories. Right? If you have the swipe up function, you can. It's sort of like creating trailers as well as, you know, being more useful with your content, breaking down your content into smaller pieces. So let's say, for example, how this could benefit you is you decide to create that 15-second story ad, and then you're like, swipe up, use it as a trailer. This is what you're going to be discussing in today's video. Swipe up links you straight to YouTube. Or if you don't have the swipe up function, you take that 30-minute video and you condense it into a 10-minute vertical video for IGTV. You condense that, upload that to IGTV. You take that 15-second extract, put it onto your stories, and you can let people swipe up to your IGTV and they watch it straight just like that. Now, most people, that's what I do. Others, such as Gary Vee, they take the content from the video and they extract the audio and they create that as a podcast. So if people want to listen to your latest episode and they can't necessarily watch it, they want to commute, they want to go for a jog, they want to do whatever, cook, while listening to the audio of that video. That's another way to be more effective with your content. So I call it the lazy content strategy, because instead of creating 5-10 different pieces of content, whether it be recording for audio, a separate piece of content, recording for Instagram, recording for YouTube, recording for Instagram stories, Facebook stories, the likes of it, it's more convenient to use your large piece of content smartly. You could even condense what you talked about in the video into written form, because with this you're trying to get everybody that's into everything involved. People that like to read, people that like to listen, people that like to watch. You're covering every single person. So that's basically it. I just wanted to show you guys what I did use to create that little B-roll scene, the Canon 50mm. This is a great piece of glass right here. It is amazing for getting that crisp video. It is amazing. You should get that. In comparison, it's not really that expensive. It's about 1,500 rand, I think, somewhere there, depending where you buy it, obviously. But it is one of the lenses that you just need to have if you're shooting video, photography. It's just, it is invaluable. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this week by week video. I will be back next week. Be sure to check out the latest video from the light bulb series. Be sure to check the links in bio, and thanks for watching. As always, secure the flourish. Let's do this all.